Hi all, welcome to Ultra Phoenix Technology. Today we learn about how to use groove command in CATIA. Groove command is used to create a revolved feature that remove material from a part, similar to a pocket or a cutout. It revolves a profile around an axis, effectively creating a groove or channel. Let's see how to use groove command in CATIA. Select the already I created the shaft to activate the groove command. So now you select the groove command and go to sketch and select any face. It will go to sketch module. Now draw any profile. So I am giving 10 from its axis. It will locate 30. So this is located 50. I will put 55. So this I will change to 40. So I will give the vertical distance 20. Okay, now you exit the after completing the sketch profile, you exit the workbench. So then you select in the axis. So I am selecting the vertical axis. Now it will creating the groove command. You can see. So the material removed from the shaft. If you want to edit the value, just double click and change the value from 182. I want to remove up to 160. You can see it removed up to 160. That's it. I hope everyone understand how to use groove command in CATIA. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get more update and notification from Ultra Phoenix Technology. Thank you all viewers and learners for watching this video.